Hey guys, let's talk about Apple's third event this autumn, the One More Thing event. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this year we are getting a One More Thing event. Quite a big name for an entire event, since usually One More Thing is used to highlight products coming at the end of a presentation. Well, last time it was used for the iPhone X in 2017, for Apple Music in 2015, and for the Apple Watch in 2014. But most famously, Steve used it for the iPhone initial launch in 2007. He also used it for the MacBook Air in 2010 and iTunes Match in 2011. Now in 2020 we have an entire event named One More Thing. So what can it be? What can be the one more thing? For sure, Apple is highlighting that this is the end of events in this autumn before the Christmas season. That is why it's a one more thing or one last thing this year in 2020. Tim himself announced on stage that silicon-based Macs will come before the year ends, and we can be sure to see them in this event. But is there more? Let's take a look at the current Mac lineup. So as the entry model we have our MacBook Air, followed by the MacBook Pro 13-inch, the MacBook Pro 16-inch, our iMac lineup, our iMac Pros, our Mac Pro and our Mac Mini. What is missing right now is actually a very solid entry MacBook. And we don't have a MacBook right now. We are starting with the MacBook Air and then jumping to the Pro line. So most likely the Apple Silicon is a very great chance for Apple to reintroduce the MacBook and maybe one more silicon-based Mac. Besides the Apple silicon-based Macs, we also can expect to see a refreshed MacBook Pro 16-inch at that event. At this event we also could see the final release date of Big Sur. We already know that the battery life and the efficiency of the silicon-based Macs will be great, for sure. But this was basically announced in summer. So does it qualify to call the whole event a one more thing? So what can be that one more thing? I think it is safe to say that for a completely redesigned Mac lineup with mini LED displays, it is a bit early and we will have to wait for that until 2021. But it would be really great if that one more thing at this event will be the AirTags finally. It seems to be ready to be shipped, and it would be great having it before Christmas. Let me know in the comments below what you think the one more thing will be. Will it be AirPods Studio? Will it be the AirTags? My iPhone 12 Pro Max and my HomePod Mini are on order and will be here soon. I will share the experience. Stay tuned for that. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Stay safe and see you in the next one.